In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload listings on eBay, a handy tutorial designed especially for beginners. If you're managing a lot of products, uploading them one by one on eBay can be time-consuming and tedious. Fortunately, bulk uploading can save you significant amounts of time and effort. Let's dive in and break down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First, we need to access the Seller Hub. This is essentially your command center on eBay, where you can handle all aspects of your selling journey. Once you're there, navigate to the Listings section. This is where all your product listings will live, both current and future ones. Understanding this section is key, especially as you start to grow your number of listings. Next, you'll want to look for the bulk upload option. Clicking this will allow you to upload multiple listings at once. It's an incredibly powerful feature for streamlining your sales process, letting you skip the repetitive task of manually listing product after product. Now, here's a little tip. If you can't find the bulk upload feature right away, make sure you're on the correct page, and sometimes just refreshing your browser can do the trick. The third step involves preparing a CSV file with all your product details. A CSV, which stands for comma-separated values, is a simple file format that's widely used for sharing data between applications. When creating your CSV file, make sure to include all necessary details about your products, such as their titles, descriptions, prices, and any other required specifications. eBay usually has a template you can download, which will give you a clear idea of exactly what details you need to include. It ensures that the data you upload is formatted correctly, which helps avoid any errors when the data is processed. Now let's move on to the final step: uploading your file and confirming the upload. Once your CSV is ready, simply upload it via the bulk upload page we mentioned earlier. After uploading, you'll want to confirm that the information is correct before proceeding. This is your chance to double-check for any errors or typos that might have slipped through. If everything looks good, you can then proceed to finalize the upload. And there you have it, a streamlined way to upload multiple listings on eBay, saving you precious time and energy. Bulk uploading is a fantastic tool for expanding your eBay shop efficiently. By using this method, not only do you make the listing process faster, but you also reduce the chance of errors. Just remember to have your CSV prepared with accurate information and follow these steps, and you'll surely see a smoother, more productive listing experience. Stick around for more helpful tips and tutorials in the next video. Happy